much for coming to this lesson. For the ukulele, we're going to be practicing some warm-ups, and we're going to start off with a simple one, starting with this one. So that's C major 7, and the second chord is C6. The strumming pattern is down, up, and then you can pause or do a mute or a chuck. So down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Now we're going to mix finger picking with the strumming. So we're going to finger pick the first chord first, starting with the top string. And it's going to go like this. Second chord. And now we're going to pick it up. We're going to pick it up with the old pattern. So you're going to go finger picking first, ba-da, ba-dum, and then ba, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Cool. All right, now for the second warm-up. This is all about strumming with the attention to transitioning from chords to chords. The first chord will be C, second chord will be G, and the third chord will be F. So check out this pattern and check out the strumming pattern too. So it's down, up, down, hold it down, and then down, up, down, hold it down. Here we go. Let's do it slower. So this time around we're going to do C, down, 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 down. Now we're going to finger pick the chords. So starting with the top string with your thumb, and you're going to finger pick each and every string with a particular finger. So your thumb first, pointer, middle, and ring. Starting with the C chord. Now slower. on C. For the final exercise. So what you're going to do, you're going to start off with the outside string first. Let's start off with the bottom string and then go down to the top and then back to the second string. We're doing inside strings now, and that's it. So just pick up your pace when you're ready. The second pattern is we're going to do inside strings now, starting with the third string and second string, the C and the E, and then the outside strings. Okay? So C, E, G, A, C, E, G, A, C, C, E, G, A. And now we're going to combine both patterns. Last one. Great. Thank you so much for joining me in these warm-ups with the ukulele today. I really liked having you. Until next time, take care. Bye.